Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. So in previous video we studied Avam Vayam and Yuvam Yuyam. So let's move to the Bhashabhyasaha of this lesson, chapter number 5. Bhashabhyasaha. First is Yogyam Paryayam Chinuta Likhata Cha. Means choose the appropriate word and write. First, Aham dash. In the bracket Upavishami and Upavishamah. Now we know with Aham the verb ends with Mi Pratyayah. So we will choose Upavishami. Aham Upavishami means I am sitting. Second, dash Kridamah. Now we know Maha Pratyayah is used with Vayam. So we will choose Vayam. Vayam Kridamah. We are playing. Vayam dash. Just now we said with Vayam verb ends with Maha Pratyayah. So we will choose Bhramamah. Vayam Bhramamah. That means we are roaming. Vayam dash. Namami and Namamah is given. We know with Vayam verb ends with Maha Pratyayah. So we will use Namamah. Vayam Namamah means we are saluting. Now dash Hasami. Hasami means with Mi Pratyayah we use Aham. So we will use Aham Hasami means I am laughing. Dash Vadasi. With Vadasi Si Pratyayah we use Tvam. So we will use Tvam Vadasi. You, it's a singular form and you are speaking. Dash Kshipatha. Without Visarga it is Bahuvachan means plural form. So we will use plural form of Tvam, that is Yuyam. So Yuyam Kshipatha meaning all of you are throwing. Dash Nrutyasi. Si Pratyayah. So we know now when verb ends with Si Pratyaya we use Tvam. So Tvam Nrityasi. You in a singular form, you are dancing. Here dash Likhatah. Likhatah. With Visarga it is a dual form of Likhasi. In the bracket Tvam and Yuvam are given. Dual form of Tvam is Yuvam. So we will choose Yuvam Likhatah meaning you two are writing. Yuyam dash. Pathasi and Pathatha. Pathatha is a plural form of Pathasi. So Yuyam is a plural form of Tvam. So we will choose plural form of Pathasi, that is Pathatha. Yuyam Pathatha means all of you are reading. Next exercise is Kriya Pada Rupani Likhata. Now see, this exercise is a kind of revision of all 5 lessons. We have to write forms of verbs used with various karta or subject. Karta means this saha, tau, te, sa, te, taha, tvam, yuvam, yuyam, aham, avam, vayam, yuvakau, purushaha, balikaha, mahile, sainikaha, krishakaha. All these are various karta means subjects and we have to use forms of these verbs. Second, Kriya Pada Rupani Likhata means write appropriate form of verb. Saha dash. In the bracket verb is given Gad. Gad means say, to say. With Saha verb ends with ti pratyaya. So sah gadati, meaning he is saying. Tau dash. Garja verb is given, meaning to roar. Tau is a dual form of sah. So we have to use dual form of garjati, and that is garjatah. Tau garjatah, meaning those two are roaring. Te dash. Vad is given. Vad means to speak or to talk. Te dash. Te is a plural form of sah. So we have to use plural form of vadati, and that is vadanti. Te vadanti. They are talking or they are speaking. Sa dash. Jalp. Jalp means to babble. And sa is a singular form, feminine form. With sa also we use ekavachan jalpati. She is babbling. Te dash. Jap is given. Jap means to chant. Te is a dual form of sa. So here also we have to take the dual form of japati, that is japatah. Te japatah. Those two feminine are chanting. Taha dash. Jai is given. Jai means to win. Taha is a plural form of sa. So we have to take plural form of jayati, that is jayanti. Taha jayanti. They, feminine, win. Tvam dash. Kuj verb is given. Kuj means to coo or to whisper. With tvam, verb ends with si. So we have to use kujasi. Tvam kujasi. You are cooing or you are whispering. Yuvam dash. Nam dhatu is given. Nam means to salute. Yuvam is a dual form of tvam. So we have to use verb also in dual form. That is namathah. Yuvam namathah means you two are saluting. Yuyam dash. Khad dhatu is given. Khad means to eat. Here yuyam is a plural form of tvam. So we have to use plural form of khadasi, and that is khadatha without visarga. Yuyam khadatha. All of you are eating. Aham dash. Krid dhatu is given. Krid means to play. With aham, verb ends with mi pratyayah. So we will use aham kridami. I am playing. Avam dash. Has dhatu is given. Has means to laugh. Avam is a dual form of aham. So we have to use dual form of hasami, and that is hasavah. Avam hasavah. We too are laughing. Vayam dash. Vas dhatu is given. Vas means to live or to stay. Vayam is a plural form of aham. So we have to use verb also in plural form of vasami. That is vasamah. Vayam vasamah. All of us are living or all of us are staying. Yuvakau dash. Tap is given. Tap means to do penance. Yuvakau is a dual form of yuvakah and meaning two young men. Tapatah is a dual form of tapati. So we have to use tapatah. Yuvakau tapatah. Two young men doing penance. पुरुषाः dash. Dhav dhatu is given. Dhav means to run. Purushaha is a plural form of Purushah, means men. Purushaha, we have to use plural form of Dhavati. That means Dhavanti. Purushaha Dhavanti. Men are running. Balikaha dash. Brahm dhatu is given. Brahm means to roam. Balikaha is a plural form of Balika. So we have to use plural form of verb, and that is Brahmanti. Balikaha Brahmanti. Girls are roaming. Mahile dash. Yaj dhatu is given. Yaj means to do yagya or to worship. Mahile is a dual form of Mahila. So we have to use dual form of Yajati, and that is Yajatah. Mahile Yajatah. Two women are doing yagya or two women are worshipping. Sainikaha dash. Raksh dhatu is given. Raksh means to guard or to protect. Sainikaha is a plural form of Sainikah. So we have to use plural form of Rakshati, that is Rakshanti. Sainikaha Rakshanti. Soldiers are guarding. Krishakah dash. Vap dhatu is given. Vap means to sow. Krishakah means a farmer. It's a singular form. So we have to use verb also in singular form. That is Vapati. Krishakah Vapati. A farmer is sowing. This way we have done with lesson number 5 Aham and Tvam, including both the Bhashabhyasah. Please ask your doubts about the lesson in comment section. Link to my playlist of previous videos is given in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Namo Namaha. Dhanyavadah.